Hey you guys, so today I will be doing a braided hairstyle. It will be a half sew-in, half braids. This video is sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. Huge shout outs to them for sponsoring us. I already washed my hair, blow dried it, and I'm just ready to go. We're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna start off by prepping the hair. I will show you how I do the pattern in the back to do the sew-in, and then we'll get to the braids. Mind you, this is my first time doing a half braids, half sew-in, but I mean, I've done a sew-in on myself like 2 times already, so I got this. And then I do braids all the time, so this is cool. This is what our hair comes in, and I did receive 2 bundles to sew in the back, and then I also received the bulk extensions to do the braids. I did receive like 2 bundles of the bulk extensions as well, so this will be for the braids. Not sure if I'll use all of it. I don't even think I need to use all of it to do the top portion. And then we have our 2 bundles for the sew-in, and I will sew the entire 2 bundles in the back of my hair, so the back is, excuse me, the back is nice and full. I did get a spray bottle. You always need a spray bottle for curly hair. And I did receive, this is like a little tote bag. You can put all your supplies in this. And then I also received a booklet with the hair care details. And then I got this little bag that has the combs, a little crochet needle, an edge brush, little clips, just things that you would need to do your hair. Let's get straight into this video. Please like this video, please comment, and please save it for later if you want to try this style. Parted off half of my hair. This half in the front is gonna be for the braids, and I just wanted to separate that. Now we're gonna braid the back. The one braid, I braided it down, and then I came across at the top, the opposite side, and I brought it around all the way down, and then I connected them. We finally have our hair braided. I need to cut this. I'm gonna stitch this to one of the braids, but this is what I was explaining, guys. I came down, attached the braid here, and then I just kept going down, and then with each braid I just keep attaching them into the new braid until everything gets over here. I added the piece that was here into this, so it all flows into one. Let me show y'all the back of my head one more time. Screenshot. And that's the braiding pattern. I'm using my wild growth oil. You need to oil your scalp, especially if you're going to be sewing hair on your head. You need to oil your scalp. I've never used a braiding net. I see people do that, but we're not using that. Our hair is prepped, and we are gonna start sewing. I'm gonna go in with the first bundle. This is the second bundle. It's super full, as you can see. I got close to the top basically, so I'm gonna cut the weft here and then sew the extra piece on, but I'm gonna sew it, instead of sewing it going backwards, I'm gonna sew it the opposite way so then we can flip it over so there's no track showing. But so far everything is covered from the side. Did a pretty good job of that. Everything is covered, and then we'll have our braids to cover that, so no tracks are showing. That's pretty good. Sheath, This is the 2 bundles. I used the entire amount. Like the flip over at the top, I sewed the track upside down. Could I have sewn it the upside down track a little bit better? I probably could have, but whatever. It's not gonna show because once I have the water and the mousse and then the braids are gonna fall on it, you won't see anything. As you can see, the side is good. We're not seeing our tracks based on how the hair is gonna fall. So I did a good job. Now let's get to the braids. I think I want to do my hair in probably like 8 or 9 braids at the top. Not a lot because, baby, my arms are hurting a little bit. Guys, this is what my hair is looking like. I am so tired. It is so late. I'm gonna come back tomorrow to do my styling with my mousse and stuff. We are back. We have our makeup done and I'm feeling myself. Like, honey, you ready? This is the reveal. Like, the hair is so cute, guys. So good. Woo. is so late right now, girl. Are you kidding? Yeah. Do you see that bounce? The movement on the hair, honey. Wow. Guys, this hair, I give it a 10. I give it a 10. Sometimes curly hair, once you put water and like mousse, it feels tangly almost when it dries. This isn't tangly at all. Look at how it's flowing. I didn't use a comb, I didn't use a brush. I literally just used water and my fingers to detangle, and then I added the mousse. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me give you guys like a 360 real quick. Let me be professional. But the hair is, this is like the prettiest hairstyle I've done in a while. It is so pretty and I'm so in love with this. This hair looks too good. Oh my gosh. This is really the prettiest hairstyle I think I've done all year. I'm like, I knew it was gonna look nice, but wow. Guys, this is the hair a little bit more dried. I personally love when it's just like damp and laying down, but once it starts to dry, it gets a bit more fuller, but still it's giving you that nice sleek vibe. Love it. I had to show y'all just in case, you know, y'all saw it wet and like, oh, does it fluff up? Yes, it does. It does get more full. And the hair still isn't fully dried, but I love this hair, as you can tell. That's real cute. I don't have a like a claw clip right here, but we could switch her up and do a cute little claw clip vibe. Anyways, if you guys are interested in this hair, then definitely check out the description box down below. It's like, I'm so happy about my hair. I keep looking over there and it's like I forgot that I'm supposed to be, you know, a professional YouTuber. It's calm. It's calm. If you guys are interested in this hair, then definitely check out the description box below. A huge shout out to HOTBRAIDS for sending us this beautiful hair. Guys, y'all need this. Y'all need to try this for your next vacation. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you find anything that I showed y'all today useful, then definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, save this video for later, share it with a friend. Yeah, and subscribe to the channel. Turn your post notifications on as well so you never miss when I do upload. I'm sorry, I need me a trip. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. I promise I'm gonna be a professional YouTuber. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.